1, 2, 3.
Hola! Hello! Konnichiwa! Welcome back to New Cool Things! And we are here right now in our kitchen to make this really cool recipe that we saw on YouTube that we thought, does this really work? Guess what it is? SLUSHIES! It is a homemade slushie from Jolly Ranchers, Sprite, and a blender and some ice. And I saw this in a YouTube channel that I love her. She's one of my favorite YouTubers. And I thought, like, she tried it. I thought maybe we can try it if it actually works and it actually tastes like the ices in the movies. Or at Walmart, or at like stores or anything like that. So that's what we're gonna be doing. If you can look here at our counter, we have. So as you can see here on our desk, like I already showed, Santi has his Jolly Ranchers and I have my Jolly Ranchers. He's gonna say the colors that, the flavors that he has, and we're gonna blend it all together. So Santi, what is the flavor?
Watermelon, green apple, and blueberry. Blue raspberry.
And mine are grape, cherry, and green apple. So we're gonna see how these results come out. So as you can see, Santi's already starting to put in his Jolly Ranchers. Oh, it's some ice. Sorry. I'll clean that up. Okay, so Santi, what he's gonna do is put in his Jolly Ranchers inside. And I will be helping him a little if he wants. Do you want me to help? Okay. So, yep. So, just gonna open it up and pop it in. You can do really any flavors, but I'm not really quite sure if it's gonna come out well. But this is an experiment, so here we go. I think it might go better with a one flavor, but like we have so much flavors and we didn't want to waste this candy. So we were like, what should we do? Maybe we can split this in half. And then we made a mistake because Santi had I had 3 extras than Santi, and then I gave him one. And then I gave one to my dad, and then by accident, that was the amount that we weren't supposed to have. So my Santi, I would keep on telling him, you have 9 and I have 8. So please just get rid of one. And he's like, nah. And I'm like, yes, and then he got rid of one and gave it to my mom, who's our filmer right now. Now we have a Sprite, and Santi's gonna pour the Sprite to at least here. So Santi, start pouring. Go, go, go.
Tell me when to stop.
Okay, go, go, go. Go, go, go. One more. And done. Now what Santi's gonna do is pour in his ice. So all the cup, come in. Oh, there we go. And that's what we have. Now?
I think you need, Gabby, I think you need to put the Sprite all the way top to where the ice is, okay?
And so Santi's gonna put more Sprite on. Okay. Now what Santi's gonna do is screw this on. So put it on. Screw it. Sorry. Okay, there we go. Okay, now like he has that on, we have already plugged our machine in. So what we're gonna do is make sure this is tight because we do not want this to spill. So now what we're gonna do is flip it around like this. Sparkles!
Oh my god!
Okay, I don't know how to put this in. So what he's gonna do is push power. So push power. And now what he's gonna do is single server, I think that's what it is. Okay, now he's gonna press that. Oh my god. Wow, that is working like wow.
Remember to subscribe to New Cool Things. Leave a comment.
So this is what we've done. We put the Jolly Ranchers and everything, but it wasn't really working. So we said maybe we can put a little more Sprite and ice. So that's what we did. So we're gonna re-put this on. And Santi's drinking the Sprite that we need. But okay. Okay, now, like we said, let's get back to it. No. Okay, so this is what we got. We got our homemade, as you can see, what is it called? Icy, and like I said, we're gonna make another one, but different flavors. Okay, and this is Santi's results. Okay, mine did not come out like Santi's. Mine was too liquidy, so I'm gonna go get more ice. But it tastes delicious.
Let's check it out, Gabby. Let's check it out. See if that was good enough with the ice.
This looks way too liquidy, literally. I can't. I'm never able to.
Okay, but I need a spoon, you know.
Okay. So here's Santi's straw. It's purple. Ugh.
We need a spoon.
Okay, get a spoon. Where's the spoon? Okay, spoon. Okie dokie. And now, grab, take a little. How does it taste? Very good. Does it taste like a real one? Very. Okay then. Now we know that this is actually one that works. So maybe if you want to do this at home, go ahead, make some ices, and next time if you go to the movies, maybe make your own before you go to the movie. Remember to subscribe to our channel and like this video and click on that post notification bell so you can see more of these videos and more golf videos and more cooking videos and more of these fun recipes. So leave comments down below and remember, try new cool things.